Remember to click subscribe and notification button for more Appa's video.
Cooking Appa.
Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Now there is one vegetarian dish during Chinese New Year which is extremely popular. It is called Lohan Jai. Basically, it means Lohan means the scent. Is equivalent to the scent in Buddhism. Yeah, so it is actually a very common vegetarian dish which is served in those Buddhist temple. Yeah. So basically what you will notice here is you don't see any garlic, you don't see any shallot, yeah, on this particular dish, and everything will be vegetarian. So, but it's still going to taste really good. Now let's take a look at some of the important ingredients here. Now, you don't have to follow me 100% of what I'm using here. You can use your own creativity. So, first of all, this is Japanese mushroom, huagu, okay? Japanese mushroom, and soak until it is softened and remove the middle stem. This is wood ear. Wood ear, there's two types. You can find the dried one, which is the one I'm using. So you need to rehydrate it in water. This is the lily bud, yeah, lily bud, and you make a knot, a tiny knot in the middle to look better. This is deep fried fuzhu, yeah, deep fried beancurd sheet. Nowadays it's so easy to get it from supermarket, the ready-made ones. If you can't find this, you can actually buy the dried fuzhu, and then you can actually deep fry yourself. A little bit more work. Here we have some carrot, sweet peas. Now the thing about sweet peas is you need to remove this center part, the spine here. So what you normally do is you can just peel off the top and pull it out like that. So the spine here will actually take it out together very easily. Why you want to take out this? Because this part is very chewy. And I have a bit of tanghun, soak of course under. This is tanghun is glass noodle. And we will have a bit more cabbage. This is the broth, not exactly broth, but the water I use to soak the shiitake mushroom and also the lily bud. So we will be using it as a broth, or it's already flavored with these two. Now this is important here. This is the fermented beancurd. Fermented beancurd, you have basically three types. Some extra knowledge for you, some of them who doesn't really understand much about fermented beancurds. Basically, you have the white color type, which is the original taste, yeah. Then you also have the red color ones. This is the red color ones. And you can also find the spicy type. So basically it's really up to you which type you want to use. Most people outside, they will either use the white color or they will use the red color. This is more common. I have here about 1.5 pieces, which I'm going to put a bit of water to dilute it, yeah? What else? Oh, okay. Definitely you will need some vegetarian oyster sauce. Okay, let's start with giving it a bit of oil. Vegetable oil. And I'm going to start with sauteing the shiitake mushroom, where we want to really enhance the flavor, let the aroma and fragrance of the shiitake mushroom to infuse into the oil. Very fragrant. Because we are not using garlic and shallot, so you need to find some way to bring out the nice flavor. Then put in the carrot. This will actually help to release the carotene, yeah? Saute the carrot will actually help to release the carotene inside the carrot. you will see immediately the oil becoming orangey. See? That is the keratin released from the carrots. After that, the cabbage. The water we use to soak the shiitake mushroom and also the lily. We can now put in the wood ear. And I'm going to put in the tanghun also, because I know this tanghun that I'm using need about at least 5 minutes to be fully cooked. And we have this, the diluted fermented beancurd. So by the way, the beancurd is very salty, so be careful with your salt later. So about 1 tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of vegetarian oyster sauce. Immediately it smells really good. I'm going to add a bit more hot water here. The lily bud, the sweet pea, oh, smells nice. My fuzu, fried fuzu. Fried fuzu is almost a must in this dish. I'll give it a little bit, just a little bit of light soy sauce. Not too much, be careful. Like I mentioned, the fermented beancurd is very salty. Okay, so I'm going to let this simmer, cover it with a lid and let it simmer for about 3 minutes. Then it should be done. So this is after about 3 minutes simmering. Oh, super fragrant. Alright, everything is definitely cooked right now. I'm not adding any salt anymore. I think the saltiness is good enough. So let's put in some starch solution. Before that, I'm going to off the fire. Then only I put in the starch solution. Immediately it will thicken out the gravy and make the whole dishes more shinier. See, immediately it becomes very shiny. Alright, done. Super easy. You can put a bit of sesame oil right now if you like, up to you. Done. I'm going to dish it out. Alright, so here's Appa's Lohan Jai. Probably one of the things that I did not put here is the fa chai, a type of veggie that looks like hair. Which is a common thing they put, but I don't have it, so I just omit it. There's no rules in Appa Kitchen, you put in whatever you have. Alright, so if you like my video, do share my video on your Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook fan page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on Instagram and subscribe to Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye bye.